What is the name of the central portal launched by the Ministry of Minority Affairs on 6 June 2025? And the correct answer is Umeed Central Portal was launched to streamline welfare schemes for minorities. When was the Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan (PMSMA) launched? And the correct answer is PMSMA was launched in June 2016 to provide assured antenatal care services. What is the replacement level of total fertility rate, TFR? And the correct answer is the replacement level TFR is 2.1 births per woman, which is needed to maintain population levels in the absence of migration. What is the name of India's first underwater museum project? And the correct answer is INS Guldar, a decommissioned warship, is being converted into India's first underwater museum. What is India's extreme poverty rate as per the latest World Bank report for 2022 to 1923? And the correct answer is India's extreme poverty rate fell to 5.3% in 2022 to 1923, a significant decline from 27.1% in 2011 to 2012, according to the World Bank. What was India's estimated population in 2025 according to UNFPA? And the correct answer is India's population was estimated at 1.46 billion, making it the world's most populous country. From which date will Aadhaar OTP be mandatory for Tatkal bookings on IRCTC? And the correct answer is Aadhaar OTP authentication will be required for Tatkal booking starting 15th July 2025. What percentage subsidy is Punjab providing on cotton seeds in 2025? And the correct answer is Punjab is offering a 33% subsidy on cotton seeds to promote crop diversification. What percentage of India's working age population, 15 to 64 years, was reported in 2025? And the correct answer is 68% of India's population is in the working age group, offering potential demographic dividends. Where was India's first e-waste eco park announced? And the correct answer is the eco park was announced in Holambi Kalan, North Delhi, to promote sustainable urban development. Which state declared Dhanushkodi as a Greater Flamingo Sanctuary? And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu declared Dhanushkodi as a Greater Flamingo Sanctuary to protect migratory birds. What is India's maternal mortality ratio, MMR, in 2021 to 23? And the correct answer is India's MMR dropped to 80 per 1 lakh live births, showing improvement in maternal care. Who became India's first female EDACAM, ADC? And the correct answer is Squadron leader Manisha Padhi became India's first female ADC to a Ghana. Which country is building 8 nuclear reactors in Iran? And the correct answer is Russia has agreed to build 8 nuclear reactors in Iran under a strategic energy deal. What is the name of RBI's UPI verification tool launched in June 2025? And the correct answer is SCBI Check was introduced to verify UPI IDs and prevent frauds in securities transactions. What is the new gold loan LTV ratio allowed by RBI for low-ticket loans? And the correct answer is RBI revised the LTV ratio to 85% for low-ticket gold loans to support NBFC lending. Who is the author of the book India, 5,000 Years of History? And the correct answer is Audrey Trusch authored the book offering a fresh perspective on India's complex history. What amount of premium did public sector general insurers collect in FY25? And the correct answer is PSGICs collected 1.06 lakh rupees crore in premium income during FY25. Which new initiative was announced for road dust pollution control in NCR? And the correct answer is the CACM initiative includes a standard framework for urban road redevelopment in NCR. Which fintech company launched a dual network credit card with RuPay and Visa? And the correct answer is Scapia launched the Scapia Federal RuPay credit card in collaboration with Federal Bank. What is the name of the AI job interview preparation tool by Apna.co? And the correct answer is AI Job Prep is the AI-powered tool launched by Apna.co to help with interview training. What was India's retail inflation in May 2025? And the correct answer is retail inflation fell to 2.82%, its lowest level since February 2019. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of LIC, pending cabinet approval? And the correct answer is R. Doraiswamy was recommended as MD and CEO of LIC by the FSIB. What is the total range of the Rudrastra drone recently tested by the Indian Army? And the correct answer is Rudrastra has a total range of 170 kilometers and was tested for precision strike capability. Who was appointed Global Tourism Ambassador for Maldives? And the correct answer is Katrina Kaif was named Global Tourism Ambassador for Maldives by MMPRC.